welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you guys are new, my name is Miriam. So I'm showing you guys a tour of my current playroom. I'm mapping out where it is that I can place a desk for my older son. So as you guys are aware, most of us are virtually learning. So I want to create an environment that's going to be very welcoming and also encourages him to do well while he is staying at home. So I'm just showing you guys right now what our current playroom looks like because I do want to place his station in here in this room. I think it'll be best in here. So I'm just showing you guys what it looks like right now as I map out where it is that I want to place his desk. So I started off by decluttering and just cleaning up all of the kids' toys and things that they had laying around, just reorganizing basically, putting them in places where they were away, just so it'll work with the new feng shui that I wanted the room to have. So I took a break from decluttering and went outside to just get some of the materials ready for the room. I used what I already had and basically just spray painted it to match the decor of the room. You guys already know I love spray painting. I spray paint everything because I do not have time to be painting these things. I then went back inside and finished decluttering everything. This was so time consuming. It's not even funny. Like it took forever to declutter and get everything back to being organized the way it was originally when I made the playroom over. And by the way, if you didn't see the original playroom makeover, I'll make sure to link that video in the description box below so you guys can check it out and see how the room looked when I initially made it over, because it doesn't even look like the same anymore. I had to take some things off the wall due to the kids like throwing things and breaking stuff. Don't even get me started. But also the way I'm going to rearrange everything just so you can see how it originally looked. So I got my son's desk from Office Max. This desk cost us $200. I am not happy about the expense, but we were desperate and we waited last minute, so I guess that's what we get because we were left with whatever they had left in the store. But it was an easy assemble. It wasn't that hard to put together. It was just so time consuming, but very easy to put together. I love it. I love the results. So it was actually a good buy.
Almost done with the table.
Yeah.
It looks like it has a lot of space, so.
Yep, I want to make sure you have a lot of space to put you can put your computer over there on that side, and then you can be writing while she's talking and taking notes. So you have enough space to do all of that. So the lighting in this room was definitely off in this entire video, and I do want to apologize for that. And I couldn't take it any longer as I was editing. Like it was so dark, you guys could barely see me. So So I just stopped recording and I'm gonna fast forward to the end of the video. So you guys are about to see how this playroom turns out. Playroom slash virtual learning area. So let's just get right into the results. Okay, so as I was recreating the space and moving things around, I knew that to make it functionable that we needed different stations. So I just thought about the different things that the kids are going to be getting involved in this room, and I just went ahead and created stations for that. So you see they have a sitting area to watch TV slash play their video games, and then to the right of that I have the learning area for my older son, and I put the toys underneath to kind of hide it away. And I moved that hockey puck station a little bit back, and it's next to the reading area, so they still have somewhere to sit and they have the books there when they are ready to read during the day or throughout the day. And then I have the little kiddie area for my little son for when he does his schooling and gets into his arts and crafts, so they're not on top of each other, so they're separated and have their own little space. This thing right here, to be honest, we don't even use. We got it for Christmas. I don't even know where the pieces are. And here he is. He's excited about being in the video. I also got him some positive affirmations on his desk, which I wish I would have recorded to show in this video, but I'm going to post it on my Instagram. It's just so that when my son's sitting there and staring into space, he will unconsciously read it, and it'll stick in the back of his mind to think positively, and also to try his best to make it in life and do what it is that he wants to do with his life. So that's a way that you guys can train your kids' minds to always think positive and, you know, shoot for the stars and not forget to dream and all that good stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.